Sustainable learning professionals in manufacturing. The key role of learning professionals in achieving sustainable manufacturing. Presentation overview. Environmental impact of manufacturing. Manufacturing has a significant impact on the environment, from pollution to depletion of natural resources. By implementing sustainable practices, we can reduce this impact and create a more environmentally friendly and sustainable manufacturing industry. Role of sustainable learning professionals. Sustainable learning professionals can play a key role in helping to implement sustainable practices in manufacturing. They can provide training, education, and support to help organizations adopt sustainable practices and create a more sustainable manufacturing industry. Strategies for implementing sustainable practices. There are various strategies for implementing sustainable practices in manufacturing, such as using eco-friendly materials, reducing waste, and increasing energy efficiency. By adopting these strategies, we can create a more sustainable and environmentally friendly manufacturing industry. Why sustainable learning professionals are important in manufacturing. Sustainable manufacturing practices. Sustainable manufacturing practices help to reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing and can have economic benefits as well. These practices include reducing waste, using renewable resources, and improving energy efficiency. Role of sustainable learning professionals. Sustainable learning professionals play a critical role in implementing sustainable practices in manufacturing. They help to develop and implement sustainable practices as well as provide training and education to employees. Environmental impact of manufacturing. Manufacturing has a significant environmental impact, including the consumption of energy, water, and raw materials, and the generation of waste and emissions. Reducing these impacts is crucial for a sustainable future. Sustainable manufacturing practices. Sustainable manufacturing practices can help to reduce the environmental impacts of manufacturing, including the use of renewable energy, water conservation, waste reduction, and recycling. Benefits of sustainable practices. Cost savings. By implementing sustainable practices, companies can save money on resources and reduce the cost of waste disposal and emissions, improving their bottom line. Improved reputation. Companies that demonstrate their commitment to sustainability can improve their reputation and build trust among their customers and stakeholders. Role of sustainable learning professionals. Sustainable learning professionals can help identify areas where sustainability can be improved and create training programs to educate employees. They can also develop metrics to track progress towards sustainability goals. Implementing sustainable practices in manufacturing. Reducing waste and emissions. Reducing waste and emissions is a key strategy for implementing sustainable practices in manufacturing. Companies can use techniques such as lean manufacturing and Six Sigma to reduce waste and improve efficiency. Implementing renewable energy sources. Implementing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower can help companies reduce their carbon footprint and improve the sustainability of their operations. Promoting sustainable supply chains. Promoting sustainable supply chains involves working with suppliers to ensure that they are also implementing sustainable practices, such as reducing waste and emissions and using renewable energy sources. Reducing waste and emissions. Lean manufacturing principles. Using lean manufacturing principles can help reduce waste and emissions in manufacturing processes by focusing on efficiency and reducing unnecessary activities. Recycling programs. Implementing recycling programs can help reduce waste and emissions by diverting materials from landfills and reducing the need for virgin materials. Efficient production processes. Using more efficient production processes, such as energy efficient equipment and renewable energy sources, can help reduce waste and emissions in the manufacturing processes. Implementing renewable energy sources. Investing in renewable energy infrastructure. Investing in renewable energy infrastructure such as solar and wind power can help to reduce the carbon footprint of manufacturing processes and transition towards sustainable energy sources. Utilizing green energy certificates. Utilizing green energy certificates can help manufacturers offset their carbon emissions and support the development of renewable energy infrastructure. Using energy efficient equipment. Using energy efficient equipment can help manufacturers reduce their energy consumption and costs, while also contributing to the transition towards sustainable manufacturing. Promoting sustainable supply chains. Sustainable materials. Using sustainable materials in manufacturing can help to reduce the environmental impact of the supply chain and promote sustainable practices in the industry. Ethical labor practices. Implementing ethical labor practices such as fair pay and safe working conditions can help to promote sustainable supply chains and support the rights of workers. Reducing transportation emissions. Reducing transportation emissions can help to lower the carbon footprint of the supply chain and promote sustainable manufacturing practices. Conclusion. Sustainable learning professionals play a critical role in identifying areas for improvement and implementing sustainable practices in the manufacturing industry, creating a more sustainable future for the industry and the planet. Thank you.